Hey Floxies and community that's looking for true health. Where there's help, there's hope. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up or you subscribe to my station. Down below too, I also offer a free Floxed e-course that's available for you with all my content in it. We're trying to move the needle. We're trying to get this community better. And today I want to go over another mold, a mold test that I got back from Great Plains. Let me kind of go over this. So here we have a woman who's 71 years old. So she is the sweetest little lady possible. And her husband is just an amazing human being. They came to me. She was floxed. She had urinary tract infections. I mean, they pretty much killed her in the medical system. And then she's come to me, and then we've done the testing. And then, this is a big shocker here. Look at this ochre toxin here. This is aspergillus right here, so you can see her, or gliotoxin, I'm sorry, gliotoxin right here. You can see her level right here. Let me kind of blow that up. Okay, so her level here is 3,379, and then you want this to be less than 200. So at the end of the day, what I'm finding with mold is there's lots and lots of Floxies that have mold exposure that have no idea that they've been exposed to mold in the past or current exposure. And this is my take after treating thousands of Floxies when it comes to mold. If you have mold and you don't know you have mold and you don't handle the mold, you're not going to get better. You might get better to a certain degree, then you're going to hit a plateau, and you're always going to be on this like mouse trap, the running mouse trap where the mouses are just running and not getting anywhere because the mold is such a toxic substance. If you look at species on planet Earth that have survived, right? Mold has survived everything, like cockroaches. Okay, cockroaches survive everything. Mold survives everything. Mold gets in your gut and it tears apart your gut, and then guess what? When mold's sitting in your gut, then you have parasites, and guess what hides in parasites? Well, lime hides in these parasites. Heavy metals are in these parasites. Other bacteria sit and reside within these parasites in the gut. So if you have mold and you've been floxed and you've taken antibiotics, your whole gut flora is not doing very well. And this is where this testing is really critical. You have to do the right testing. At the end of the day, like I'm not. You can spend $20,000 in functional medicine tests. At the end of the day, I try and do the basic testing. Like I do blood testing, I take 10 vials of blood. We do mold testing, and then we check for bugs. We do an organic acid tests. We check for bugs, Clostridia, neurotransmitters, or oxalates. I mean, there's lots of different tests that are in this one test. It's a urine sample. So at the end of the day, what I really want to do is just let you know that mold is a problem. All right, and people have mold issues and they don't even know that they have mold problems. This is just a problem with mold. It's just so kind of insidious. You don't know it's there. Oh, mold's not a big deal, but in reality, mold is a huge deal, and especially if you have other factors going on, that you've been floxed, if you're in a bowel, if you have brain fog, this mold produce toxins, and you can have brain fog and brain fatigue, right? This is another reason why people's brains don't function well. And then on top of that, if you have mold, guess what happens? Candida, yeast can grow in your gut too, and yeast and candida produce alcohol. And this is another reason why people can say, like, I'm just in a brain fog. It feels like I've had 1 or 2 glasses of wine, or I've had 1 or 2 shots of alcohol, and my brain's not functioning because these bacteria produce alcohol. The mold is killing all the good guys, and then all the good guys are killed, then all the parasites come out. And when you do parasite cleanses, I mean, you can actually see these parasites come out of your rectum. I mean, they can be small, they can be long. It sounds gross, but at the end of the day, if you can get to the root cause of the problem, you can recover. So it's just about doing a polytherapy approach. The more things that you gently do on your body, you can start to move the needle. Whatever condition you have, irritable bowel, Crohn's disease, depression, depolarization, all these things need to be looked at. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share the video, go down below, and I have the free e-course. This content's there for the community, trying to move the needle on healing. And where there's help, there's hope. Take care. Bye-bye.